If you're wondering why it's sometimes so hard to get out of a negative belief pattern, I'm gonna break it down to you in this video. I'll tell you the 3 things that contribute to beliefs, and then I'll share with you how you can impact each one so that you can begin to eliminate negative beliefs in your life. Now, before we jump right in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you will be notified every time we release a new business, entrepreneur, or marketing tip, and so that you'll be notified each time we release one of our mind remapping empowerment vitamins. I often get from clients, especially the ones that I coach around business and entrepreneurship, that one of the biggest things that stops them is negative beliefs and limiting decisions, particularly ones about themselves. And no matter how hard they try, they just can't seem to break those belief patterns. Why is that? Well, it's because there are 3 aspects that impact belief patterns. And if just one of them is not aligned, it's hard to actually shift from a negative to a positive beliefs. The first is the belief in your ability. If you don't believe that you can achieve something or that you can do something, then you're likely not to even try to do the thing itself. And even if you do try, your lack of belief in yourself will undermine your action, causing you to self-sabotage at every turn. The second is the belief that even if you could do it, that it's just not possible to do it. And that's a problem, because believing something is just not possible, it'll stop you right at the idea stage. You won't even pursue it because you have these thoughts like, oh, that'll never happen, or that's a crazy idea, or like even like only in my dreams, or the worst is, oh, that's a stupid idea. Statements like that are an indicator that on some level you don't think that thing is possible. Statements like that are an indicator that on some level you don't think that thing, that idea that you have, that burning fire in your belly is actually possible in reality. Finally, there's the belief that you're somehow undeserving. Now, this one is a little bit of a red herring because most people don't come out outright and say, well, I don't deserve to have this outcome. Mostly it's hidden inside of I can't statements. Things like, well, I can't charge for that, or I can't charge that much, or maybe statements like, who am I to embark upon this thing? Who am I to do that? Who am I to say this? Sound familiar? Another one that's a little subtle is, I don't want to be greedy, or I don't care about the money, or it's not about the money. Now, while on some level that may be true, that it may not be all about the money, and that's an honorable thing, consider that people who use that as an excuse, consider that if you are using that as an excuse, it could be a subtle indicator that you feel you are not deserving of what you really want. And maybe you have some kind of conversation about being bad if you actually get it. Just a thought. So which is it for you? Post in the comments. This is so important, and eliminating limiting beliefs and judgments about oneself is something that I do on a daily basis with my clients, and I see the results that it produces. This is so important because belief is the foundation of manifestation. I do this work every day with the clients that I coach and I train because this is the foundation for them producing the amazing results that they are producing in our programs. Now, in another video, I talk about the relationship between belief and positive expectations, so you may want to go check that out as well. And this is one of the foundations that we teach in our hypnosis, NLP, and timeline therapy certification program. And not only does it produce amazing results with my students and my clients, but it helps them produce amazing results with the other people in their lives as well. So what about you? Are you ready to deconstruct and disappear the limiting beliefs in your life? If so, post yes in the comments. And if the answer is truly yes, I invite you to register for my free masterclass, Remap Your Mind for Manifestation and Success. You can do that by clicking on a link somewhere around this video, probably below, or you can do it by going to drmaisha.com and registering directly on the home page. Now, if you are super serious and you know you want to start to get rid of those limiting beliefs, limiting decisions, stuck emotions, and internal conflicts right away, I invite you to schedule a free mind remapping reset call with me. And you can do that by going to drmaisha.com/meet me and choosing the free mind remapping reset call option to get on my calendar today. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go post your takeaways in the comments, and remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who you think it would benefit. I look forward to seeing you on the next video and to talking with you on your mind remapping reset call and seeing you in the masterclass. Have a great rest of the day and have a great rest of the week. Namaste.